Hello students, I am going to continue the chapter differentiation of 12th standard. Exercise 1.4, question number 4. So this is the last question of this exercise, and the question is the differentiate x sin x with respect to tan x. So in previous exercise we learned the examples in which we are given the function and we are going to differentiate it. But in these examples we have to consider that this function is nothing but the u, and the second function we consider it as a v. यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा है that is let u is equals to x sin x and v is equals to tan x. And the question is that differentiate this function मतलब u with respect to v. So हमें डेरिवेटिव फाइंड आउट करना है u का with respect to v, मतलब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है we have to find out that is du by dv means the derivative of u with respect to v. तो इस एक्सरसाइज में जो भी एग्जांपल्स है उसके लिए हमने ये इसे कंसिडर करना है. दैट इज द फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज दैट इज u एंड द सेकंड फंक्शन इज v एंड वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट u विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v, मतलब हमें फाइंड आउट करना है du by dv. सो वी गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन दैट इज u इज इक्वल्स टू x sin x. नाउ डिफरेंशिएटिंग विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x वी गेट हियर we have to apply the u into v rule. So du by dx is equals to x into the derivative of sin x plus sin x into derivative of x. So x as it is and the derivative of sin x is cos x, sin x as it is and the derivative of x is 1. And finally we get that is du by dx is equals to x cos x plus sin x. Now we are going to find out the derivative of v. So differentiating with respect to x, dv by dx is equals to the derivative of tan x is sec square x. And now by formula we have to find out that is du by dv is equals to du by dx यहाँ पे है divided by dv by dx. So the value of du by dx is x cos x plus sin x and the value of dv by dx is sec square x, and that is the answer. Now see the second example, that is the all examples having the same question, that is differentiating sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. So again we have to consider the first function as a u and the second function as a v, and we have to differentiate u with respect to v, means we have to find out du by dv. So we consider here that is u is equals to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. तो सिंस यहाँ पे हमें दिखाई दे कि आउटसाइड द ब्रैकेट देयर इज अ साइन इनवर्स, तो अगर हमें आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर भी हमें साइन ही लाना चाहिए. सो यहाँ पे जो x है, x के लिए हम कंसिडर करेंगे tan थीटा, बिकॉज हमने जो फॉर्मूला पढ़ा था दैट इज साइन 2 थीटा इज इक्वल्स टू 2 tan थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा. अगर हम x जो यहाँ पे है इसके लिए अगर हम tan थीटा कंसिडर करते हैं तो हमें कौन सा फॉर्मूला मिलेगा, दैट इज साइन 2 थीटा वाला फॉर्मूला मिलेगा. सो यहाँ पे हम पुट डाउन करेंगे x इज इक्वल्स टू tan थीटा. सो u इज इक्वल्स टू साइन इनवर्स इन ब्रैकेट 2 tan थीटा, x की वैल्यू मैंने रखी है दैट इज tan थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा, एंड नाउ दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ साइन 2 थीटा, एंड सो u इज इक्वल्स टू साइन इनवर्स साइन 2 थीटा. सो साइन सेम, सो द आंसर ऑफ u इज 2 थीटा. सिमिलरली वी गोइंग टू फाइंड आउट द आंसर फॉर द cos 1 ऑल्सो. यहाँ पे भी हम x के लिए tan थीटा ही कंसिडर करेंगे, बिकॉज you know the formula of cos 2 theta that is 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So अगर हम यहाँ पे x के बदले tan theta पुट डाउन करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा. सो पुट x इज इक्वल्स टू tan theta, v इज इक्वल्स टू cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So v is equals to cos inverse cos 2 theta because this is the formula of cos 2 theta, and so we get here since cos are same, the v is equals to 2 theta. And now we are going to differentiating both the functions with respect to theta. So du by d theta is equals to the derivative of 2 theta is 2, and here also dv by d theta, so the derivative of 2 theta is 2. And now we are going to find out du by dv. So du by d theta upon dv by d theta. So the value of this one is 2 and dv by d theta is also 2. So 2 cancel, the answer is 1. Now see the third example. Differentiating tan inverse x upon root 1 minus x square with respect to sec inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1. So again the same question, here we have to consider this function as a u and the second function as a v. So first see this one, let u is equals to tan inverse x upon root 1 minus x square and v is equals to sec inverse 1 upon 2x square minus 1. तो मैंने अभी बताया था कि अगर ब्रैकेट के बाहर tan है तो अंदर भी tan ही चाहिए, तभी हमें आंसर फाइंड आउट करना इजी जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे अगर हम x की वैल्यू साइन थीटा पुट डाउन करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिलेगा. सो यहाँ पे साइन थीटा आएगा, यहाँ पे 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा मतलब कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. आफ्टर टेकिंग द स्क्वायर रूट वी गेट कॉस थीटा. सो साइन अपॉन कॉस दैट इज नथिंग बट द टैन. सो यहाँ पे अगर हम x की वैल्यू साइन पुट डाउन करते हैं तो हमें टैन थीटा मिलता है. तो हम पुट डाउन करेंगे, लेट x इज इक्वल्स टू साइन थीटा. सो u इज इक्वल्स टू टैन इनवर्स साइन थीटा अपॉन रूट 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर थीटा. सो टैन इनवर्स इज इक्वल्स टू, इसकी जो वैल्यू है वो हमें मिलेगी दैट इज रूट कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा. आफ्टर टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट वी गेट हियर कॉस थीटा. सो साइन थीटा अपॉन कॉस थीटा इज नथिंग बट द टैन थीटा एंड सो द वैल्यूज. तो हमें यहाँ मिला दैट इज टैन टैन. सो द आंसर इज थीटा. नाउ सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी हम वही वैल्यू पुट डाउन करेंगे. x इज साइन थीटा. सो सेक इनवर्स 1 अपॉन 2 x square. Before putting the value we just taking the inverse of this one because we know the formulas of sine, cos and tan very easily. So we taking the inverse of this one. तो sec inverse का जो इन्वर्स है तो हमें मिलेगा cos इन्वर्स. सो cos इन्वर्स इसका भी इन्वर्स हो जाएगा. सो 2x square minus 1. So cos inverse we putting the value of x as a sine. So 2 sine square theta minus 1. And here we going to put down the value of sine square 2 sine square theta. So sine inverse cos inverse in bracket 1 minus cos 2 theta minus ये 1 as it is. So this 1 will cancel with this one. For this remember the formula of cos 2 theta. There are two formulas of cos 2 theta. So the first one is cos square theta minus sine square theta. Second one is 2 cos square theta minus 1 and the third one is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. So we putting the value of this one and here 1 cancels and the remaining term is minus cos 2 theta. ये माइनस साइन हम थोड़ा सा बाहर रखेंगे तो cos cos हमें मिला. So the answer is minus 2 theta. And now we are going to differentiate both the functions with respect to theta. So du by d theta is equals to 1 and यहाँ पे dv by d theta is equals to minus 2. And so the final formula that is du by dv is equals to du by d theta upon dv by d theta. So यहाँ पे जो आंसर होगा वो 1 upon minus 2. So the answer is minus half. Now see the example number 4. Differentiating, differentiate the cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square with respect to tan inverse x. So u is equals to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Again we are going to put down the value of tan theta. We see this formula in the second example also. So यहाँ पे u is equals to cos inverse in bracket 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So this is the formula of cos 2 theta. So we get here 2 theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta we get du by d theta is equals to 2. So this is the one part of this example. Now see the second part, that is v is equals to tan inverse x. So here we are also putting the value of, since there is a inverse we have to substitute the value for x. So x is equals to tan theta. So we get here tan inverse tan theta. So tan the values are same. So we get the answer, that is theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta we get dv by d theta is equals to 1. So du by dv is equals to du by d theta upon dv by d theta is equals to 2 upon 1 and so the answer is 2. Now see the example number 5. Differentiate 3 raised to x with respect to log of 3 to the base x. Now see the first function we consider it as a u and the second function we consider it as a v. So first we are going to solve this u. So differentiating with respect to x, we get here that is du by dx is equals to, this is the simple formula, that of the a raised to x. So 3 raised to x log 3. This is the answer of du by dx. Now see what about the v. So v is a log of 3 to the base x. So here you know the formula of change of base law. So we're going to separate the base. So यहाँ पे log 3 upon log x. So we get here. In this example, log 3 is a constant, so we can write it like this way, that is log 3 into 1 upon log x. Now we are moving this quantity in the numerator, so x having the minus 1 power, so log 3 as it is, and log x raised to minus 1. And for this we are going to apply the formula for x raised to n. The constant is as it is, that is log 3. यहाँ पे differentiating with respect to x. So we get here dv by dx is equals to log 3 into, see the formula for x raised to n, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. So n is the minus 1 x, so this quantity is nothing but x, raised to n minus 1. So n is minus 1 into जिसके लिए हमने x consider किया था उसका derivative, that is 1 by x. So finally we get here, that is the minus sign we write in front of the log. So log 3 into the log x raised to minus 1, that is minus 2 upon x. So this is the value of dv by dx. Now we are going to find out the value of du by dv. So du by dv is equals to du by dx upon dv by dx. So the value of du by dx is 3 raised to x log 3 upon the value of this one is minus log 3 into log x raised to minus 2 upon x. So log 3 will get cancelled, and 3 raised to x is as it is. We're moving this x to numerator, so it get x, and this minus also become plus when it get in the numerator, so log x square, and यहाँ पे the sign is minus. Now see the example number 6. Differentiate tan inverse cos x upon 1 plus sin x with respect to sec inverse x. Now consider the first quantity as a u and the second quantity as v. So see, u is equals to tan inverse cos x upon 1 plus sin x. So first see the formulas which we have to apply here. So cos x, so we have to apply the formula of cos 2x, but using the half angle formula. You know that is cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. So when we apply the half angle formula, what we get? Cos x is equals to cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. So we are using here this formula, and also 1 plus sin x. So see here how we can put down the value for this one. Now see, you know the formula of this one, that is 1 plus sin 2x is equals to cos x plus sin x bracket square. So when we open these brackets, so what we get? The square of the first one, that is cos square x, the middle term is 2 sin x into cos x, and the last term is sin square x. So you know that is sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So 1 plus 2 sin x into cos x. So this will be the expansion of this one, and the same expansion we see here. So 1 plus the value of sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. मतलब दोनों quantity same है. So 1 plus sin 2x is 1 प्लस साइन एक्स. इसका जो हाफ एंगल फॉर्मूला है वो हमने यहाँ पे देखा. तो अगर हम इसका हाफ करते हैं तो हम इसको भी हाफ करके लिखेंगे, दैट इज साइन कॉस एक्स बाय 2 प्लस साइन एक्स बाय 2. सो यहाँ पे हमने वैल्यू रिप्लेस की इसकी, दैट इज कॉस एक्स बाय 2 प्लस साइन एक्स बाय 2 ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर. नाउ हियर वी सी द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. सो द एक्सपांशन विल बी द ए प्लस बी एंड ए माइनस बी, एंड हियर इज द ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर, मतलब ये जो ब्रैकेट है वो हम 2 टाइम्स लिखेंगे. सो ए प्लस बी, ए माइनस बी एक्सपांशन, एंड दिस ब्रैकेट इज फॉर 2 टाइम्स. सो दिस ब्रैकेट कैंसल विद दिस वन, एंड नाउ डिवाइड द न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बाय कॉस एक्स बाय 2. बिकॉज यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे tan इनवर्स है तो हमें अंदर tan ही लाना है. सो tan कैसे आएगा? इफ़ वी डिवाइड द साइन बाय कॉस, सो वी हैव टू डिवाइड ऑल द टर्म्स बाय कॉस एक्स बाय 2. सो यहाँ पे अगर हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा 1 माइनस साइन अपॉन कॉस एक्स बाई टू, दैट इज tan x by 2. Same in the denominator, that is 1 plus tan x by 2 and into 1. So यहाँ पे हमें एक फॉर्मूला मिलेगा, we learn it in previous example, that is tan a plus b is equals to tan a plus tan b upon 1 in minus tan a into tan b. और अगर यहाँ पे माइनस होगा तो यहाँ पे भी माइनस होगा और नीचे प्लस होगा. तो हम यहाँ पे जो फॉर्मूला देख रहे हैं वो कौन सा है, दैट इज tan a माइनस b का है. So आपको पता है that is tan pi by 4 is 1, so we're going to put down the value of 1 as a tan pi by 4 to match with the formula. So tan inverse in bracket tan pi by 4 minus tan x by 2, 1 plus यहाँ पे मैंने यहाँ पे प्लस है, यहाँ पे जो 1 है उसका वैल्यू मैंने पुट डाउन किया, दैट इज tan x by 2. So this is the formula of tan a minus b. So हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं दैट इज u is equals to tan inverse tan pi by 4 minus x by 2, that is tan a minus b. So tan same, so the answer is u is equals to pi by 4 minus x by 2. Now differentiating with respect to x, so this one is the constant, so the derivative of this one is 0 minus half, that is half x, matlab the derivative is minus half. So this is the answer. And now we are going to apply the formula, that is du by dv is equals to du by dx upon dv by dx. So minus half upon the value of dv by dx. So first see, this is my v, that is sec inverse x. So just we have to write down the formula of this one. So one step is there, dv by dx is equals to minus, sorry it's not minus, it is 1 upon x into root x square minus 1. We are going to put down the value 1 upon x root x square minus 1. Now taking inverse, it will get in the numerator, so minus, यहाँ का minus sign है वो, x root x square minus 1 upon 2. This is the answer. Now see the example number 7. Differentiate x raised to x with respect to x raised to sin x. Now see, there is a function raised to function, so here we have to take the log. So first one, that is u is equals to x raised to x. Now taking log on both sides, so we get here log u is equals to x, ये जो power है we put it in the front of the log, so x log x. Actually term is log x raised to x, we putting the power in front of the log, so x log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, what we get, so the derivative of log u is 1 upon u du by dx is equals to x into 1 upon x plus log x. So 1 upon u, we move this u to this side, so this x will get cancelled, in bracket we get 1 plus log x. Now going to put down the value of u, so what is u, it is x raised to x, so du by dx is equals to x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x. Now see the v, the function is x raised to sin x. Now taking log on both sides, we get here that is log v is equals to sin x. We put the power in front of the log, so sin x into log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, what we get here, so the derivative of this one is 1 upon v dv by dx, sin x as it is into the derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x as it is into the derivative of sin x is cos x. Now we moving the v to this side, so v in bracket sin x upon x plus log of cos x, that is log x यहाँ पे log x into cos x. So we are going to put down the value of v, that is x raised to sin x upon x plus log x into cos x. Now going to put down the formula, so du by dv is equals to du by dx upon dv by dx. So see the value of du by dx, that is x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x upon x raised to sin x in bracket sin x upon x and log x into cos x. After that x raised to x in bracket 1 plus log x into यहाँ पे हम LCM लेंगे. So LCM is x. Now taking cross, so we get here sin x. और यहाँ पे हमें मिलेगा x log x into cos x, and we're moving this x to in the numerator, so x the power is 1. Now the next step we combine these all x terms. So यहाँ पे the power is x, power is 1, so we're going to add this because there is a into sign in between these two x. So x raised to x plus 1, and again we move this sin x to the numerator, so it will become minus. So x plus 1 minus sin x. Just we combine these 3x, 1, 2 and 3, and this bracket is as it is, that is 1 plus log x, and the denominator is sin x plus x log x into cos x, and this is the answer of this one. And these are all about the question number 7 and the question number 8. Only the last example, 8th example, is for your homework, and this one is the end of the exercise 1.4, and the remaining concepts we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.